Hello friends, I'm Varun Vohra, a US-based known expert in the area of IT risk, IT audit, IT security and IT compliance with extensive industry experience across top Fortune 100 companies, having authored and appeared in several media and journal publications. Welcome to my channel IT with Varun Vohra to master the fundamentals and concepts not available in any book or over the web. Most trusted and only channel which will help you understand all detailed steps on how to perform ITGC testing. Most important piece which requires in-depth knowledge of this domain is not available anywhere else and very much required to build or advance your career in IT audit, IT security, IT SOX, IT risk and IT compliance. Friends, continuing the Workpaper series where we are learning hands-on skill on what a testing workpaper looks like and how to document a testing workpaper for different control areas. Today we will cover account provisioning or new user control area under the logical access ITC category. So let's dive into that new user tab for testing details. So friends, as you can see, we have different fields here which are relevant from a workpaper standpoint. We'll go over these fields one by one and understand how to document a testing workpaper for new user control area. So as you can see, the process area is again under the logical access ITGC category and the control area is new user or account provisioning. Date signifies the testing date on when the testing was performed. I've put it as January 5th and it's based on the coverage period you have, how much period you want to cover. So testing will be done after that coverage period ends. Process owner is the application owner for which you are performing the assessment or audit. System name is the application server or database name, whatever is being tested for a certain control area. In this case, for new user and account provisioning control area, we are testing the treasury application. Assessment or coverage period, again it's one full year starting from January 1st of 2023 through December 31st of 2023. Auditor name is the person who's gonna perform the testing and the department they belong to. It can be internal audit, it can be risk and compliance people, it can be quality assurance people. So whoever is performing the assessment, that person's name needs to be listed here, like in this case, or auditor Angela Chen from internal audit. She performed the testing for the new user control area for treasury application. Overall risk when it comes to any logical access control areas under logical access ITGC category, it's mostly unauthorized access to data. So that's what the risk is here as well. The total population of accounts which were created during the coverage period are 24 for the treasury application. Coming to the sampling methodology, so we took a judgmental approach which was based on the criticality of the role or access the new users had, and based on that and the sampling guidance we selected 5 samples. So it was a judgmental selection, not a random selection, and the judgmental criteria is listed that we selected the 5 accounts based on the role or access they had in the treasury application.